Otto Owo said that General Awany is somebody who is coming with all state machineries, and also is somebody who is trying to clean his image. But he said the question of Balalo tainted General Tama's image seriously. Otto Owo is a researcher and a political analyst based in Gulu City. And then he also said that despite General Awany's forces and trying to cleanse his name, Mapenduzi remains a giant slayer, or in other words, a giant killer.
When these two actually contest, I mean, one has a record of bringing down the giants. This one, the general, is actually being tested. He comes in with the whole state machinery. He also has his individual qualities. He's been trying to sanitize his image, you know, in various ways. We've seen his involvement in Fufa Drum, some people fronting him to have been sort of like the patron. But then we had the question of the Balalo that came and tainted his image. And now, these are variables that the locals will want to test. So to me, I think it will be a very interesting sort of like competition if they actually rolled out. And at the end of the day, each comes with their strong sort of like qualities.
We must remember when Christopher Chire, who is the special presidential envoy for Forum for Democratic Change, that is FDC, had advised General Awany to change to FDC if he wants to win the election.
For General Awany to be a better candidate, he should cross to FDC. We request him to come. Because where he is misplaced. Is not actually in the right hand. So we are now appealing to Otema, that we know is the generals. The FDC is willing to make him a candidate so that he wins that elections and he serves the country. Because we need people like Otema. So I don't want you to ask me about Otema, but I've already said it to you. That is in our resolutions. Otema must cross to what? FDC. We shall welcome him in a very big way because we need him in our system.
What General Awany said when asked why he was in politics or why he has joined politics.
The level of poverty is quite disturbing, and that's where really my focus will be. How can they be supported so that they get out of the poverty they're in? They are near the town, they have no garden, they survive in businesses. I participated to bring peace in Acholi sub-region. Why can't I also contribute to improve the economy of the Acholi sub-region?
So that retirement package is very good for you. No, don't gamble.
So speculation had been going on that General Awany was expected to get retired yesterday, the 25th of September 2024, but he wasn't retired among the UPDF generals. There were 5 UPDF generals who were retired yesterday. Now this is undoubtedly the biggest blow in the camp of General Awany, and I don't know how they will have to deal with it. I don't know if they will consider maybe requesting or General Awany to request for resignation or requesting for retiring from the UPDF. But as things stand, seems like the team of Mapenduzi are very safe right now. They seem to be very safe from the side of Awany. And I think possibly they might have celebrated what happened yesterday after they did not see Awany on the list of those who are retiring. Time is running out. 2026 is getting closer. The MPs ends their term soon, and politics, the real campaign, begins next year. The date for you to retire from your profession in order for you to join politics is also getting over. What is known is Awany not retired from what happened yesterday, and the date for retiring is still not known. So this is something that will bring big frustration in the camp of Awany. You know, Awany has gone ahead to do robust mobilization in many rally, bringing the best of Gulu out, pulling the best people, biggest members of the people who are hidden elsewhere, political enthusiasts of the land in his camp, including Bosmigo team. But a real shocker, all this money spent, time gone, enemies created, friends lost. A real blow to General Awany. And to those who were not happy with his coming, they're celebrating. To those who were happy with his coming, they're sad. So everything you need to know is the president tells those people who got retired to invest their retirement pack wisely. His Excellency General retired President Yoweri Museveni, the president and commander-in-chief of the Uganda's People's Defense Forces, has advised the retired UPDF generals to invest their retirement package wisely in durable assets and avoid gambling their package. He said that retirement package is very good for you, do not gamble. Speaking on the 24th of September at the retirement ceremony of 5 generals of the UPDF at State House in Entebbe, President Museveni said that he persuaded the government that the soldiers had over the years worked for low or no pay, and now that they are retiring, there was a need that they retire with a reasonable package. I struggled very hard to make sure that as you retire, you get a good package. That's why I kept the casualty unit in, he said. I can't allow a Ugandan who is injured and crippled in the army to go in the village when we're still getting this low salary and be a pauper there, the president had it. The president underscored the importance of the correct diagnosis on which the UPDF were built on finding solution to the instability in Uganda's political landscape in the 1960s with parties based on religious or tribal affiliation. He said that the principle of patriotism and its importance for Uganda, Pan-African, and the need for a bigger market and socio-economic transformation for market participation and democracy